Hey everybody, this is Doug Boutwell with Totally Rad, and today I wanted to walk you through how to use PixelSugar's batch processing features in order to make quick work of a lot of images. This is good for similarly exposed photos that are shot under the same sort of circumstances, or large groups of photos that you want to apply some similar color grading to. In PixelSugar, you don't need to work one photo at a time, and you'll be shocked and surprised at how easy it is to work with a whole bunch of images at once. So, all you need to do is start by selecting the first image in the group that you want to work with in your Files panel. Hold the Shift key and select the last image that you want to work with. Alternately, you can use Command, holding down the Command key, click the photos that you want to select as part of your batch group. And then anything that you do in terms of adding filters or applying recipes will happen to all of those photos at once. For instance, we wanted to add a little bit of contrast to everything. Hover over the plus contrast filter and say, yes, I do want to add that to all 5 files. You'll notice that all 5 thumbnails over there updated to reflect the new state of the processing with that filter applied. And you can continue adding filters to all the photos you have selected, or at any time you can just go and select a new group until you're happy with the overall result. Now, the other thing that you can do is select a large group of photos and apply a recipe to all of them. This will replace the entire recipe of all the images with the recipe you choose. So for instance, if you wanted to apply this black and white recipe, just click it, confirm that yes, you do want to apply to all 8 photos, and they will all be updated with the new processing. Now, you do have to be a little careful with this because when you update multiple photos at once, you can't undo changes to the photos that you're updating. So make sure that you really want to apply that filter to everything at once. But other than that, it's a really powerful, really quick way to make changes to a big group of images that otherwise would require you to go and click here and click there and rinse and repeat. The same thing applies to exporting images. Select all the images that you want to export. Go over here to the Export menu and just click Export. PixelSugar will show you a progress indicator to let you know how things are doing with your batch export, and it will create a new group of files with the parameters that you choose. I recommend either creating a new folder to hold the result of your export, or just using the original file name and checking Automatically Resolve. And that gives us these +1 modified versions that have all the processing that we've just used our batch editing feature to change the photos with, applied with a batch export. One more cool little feature, if you've got a whole big directory full of images you're working with and you just want to select the images that are edited, come down here to the filter and select Show Only Edited. And that will take away anything that you haven't touched in PixelSugar. And then you can use Command A or Select All, select everything in your current directory, and go up here, you batch export everything that you've worked with in that directory. That's it. It really is just as simple as selecting the photos you want to work with, clicking the thing you want to do, and everything just kind of magically happens to everything at once. Let us know how you like it in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't for more cool tips and tricks on how to get the most out of PixelSugar. And head over to the PixelSugar Facebook user group and join other PixelSugar users there to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from your favorite photo editor. Thank you. See you next time.